وسهلا فيكم. We're back. راجعين للدرس جديد. This is the second part, الجزء الثاني for the حيوانات. Okay, so هلا Christine, let's get right into it. خلينا نفوت على الدرس بسرعة. We have this one here, which is the بسة, and then أرنب. أرنب is the rabbit, and the بسة is the cat, female cat. Okay. So, by the way, guys, in all of these, قبل ما أنسى, I don't want to forget this. All of these are describing mostly these. When you use animals, a lot of times it'll be female, but you describe men with the same thing, with the same مؤنث. So feminine, you can describe men, or even for masculine, you can describe men, because you're talking about they're like this animal. Okay, except for this one. This last one, we'll talk about that. If you describe a female, you're going to add a term to that. Okay. إيش معنى someone who's like a بسة, what are they like?
يعني شخص بخاف خويفة بخاف من كل شيء.
طيب. يعني خويفة معناته someone or afraid, they're very like, we say in English maybe they're a scary cat, or they're easily startled. So there's girls that anything happens, like this, but يعني بسرعة they get scared.
صحيح.
So this is like بسة.
بسة.
Yeah, here, guys, when we take out the trash. Well, I do. Most people don't, I think. Maybe the kids do. I take the trash out, بزت الكيس, برمي الكيس into the هاوية, into the trash can, the big dumpster. And what happens half the time, the cats jump out, because we have a lot of business here بالشرق الأوسط, صح? So anyway, that's the idea there, why they use بسة. Okay, أرنب.
هلا أرنب نفس تقريبا مبدأ البسة، برضه شخص بخاف، بس ممكن الأرنب يكون ما عنده شخصية. يعني بسة ما لها علاقة يعني لها علاقة بالشخصية، بس مش زي الأرنب. يعني أنا ممكن أكون بسة إني بخاف من كل إشي، بس أرنب كمان شخصيته ضعيفة. شخصيته ضعيفة.
Okay, so for the بسة we say easily frightened. Okay, well, let's just make it easy. Easily scared. Okay, that's an A. Ugh. Well, it was an A. We're going to make it a better A. Okay, easily scared. That's for the bisse. And also for the erneb is also easily scared. Because, when you walk up on an erneb, a rabbit, they just take off. They're very scared. But you're saying that the erneb has another facet to it. Meaning that it could be used for a man, mostly for men, right?
صحيح.
That he is, for a certain person he's scared of, maybe, or, like he's afraid of his wife. He's scared of his wife. So maybe he has, this is kind of used for men who are, they're easily controlled by the wife because they're kind of scared of him. So you're making it out like the guy's scared of his wife. Yeah. Which in the Alam al-Arabi is not a good thing. So these are negative things here. So we could just say here is weak. But maybe the erneb's for certain people, not for everybody. Right? Okay. So weak. A weak personality. But for certain people. So that's the key, guys. It's not for everybody. Okay? Weak personality. All right, here we go. This next one, خروف.
هلا خروف زي تقريبا مبدأ البسة والأرنب، بس خروف أكتر لشخص بنحكيها أكتر للشباب. يعني مثلا هو مصاحب بنت وبيعمل لها كل شيء بدها إياه، فهو زي الخروف. هي بتخليه، عشان الخروف أنت بتمشيه لما يكونوا مع بعض، أنت بتمشيهم. فهون هيك هو زي الخروف، بجيب لها هدايا، بطلعها مشوار، بعطيها مصاري، هي بتمشيه. فبنحكي هو زي الخروف.
بهالحالة يعني عم بفكر بكلمة خذ.
تقريبا.
يعني. So I think what you're getting here is kind of like what we say in English. خروف, we say he's like a sheep.
أيوة.
He is somebody who's easily led. Like this is somebody who actually has, not for just one person. You know, like you could say that somebody here, Arnab might have a strong personality, but under one person or in the house with this one person, they're weak. Here, it's all the time. معناته أسلوبه هيك. إنه he is somebody who, you used the example, he made friends with a girl and now he does everything for her and whatever she says, he says yes, yes, yes.
أيوة وهي بتضحك عليها هيك.
أيوة. So this person's manipulated, like we would say sheep. So easily, we could say easily manipulated, or we could say here, very weak. Okay? Weak and easily manipulated. Oop. Okay, 1 second. All right. All right, okay. Easily manipulated. Today, I have special khat. This is a khat al-daktur, okay? Just imagine it's writing a prescription for you. I'm a doctor, so I get to get يعني free pass اليوم في مهرب. All right, هلا حية. All right, this one here we have is a snake.
حية بنستعملها للشخص الخبيث. يعني بتصرف زي الحية. بيعمل تصرفات مش كويسة مش حلوة. خبيث هيك يعني أكتر إشي هو خبيث.
طيب. And I think you said يعني من قبل عن حيوان. Now, حيوان, we think of a snake, and we say snake in the grass. So it's like this, snake in the grass. Somebody who's always, they're hiding their true intentions. يعني عم بيخبي.
أيوة.
يعني شو بده يسوي.
صحيح.
So he's خبيث means like, خبيث is this. This is a
صحيح.
person who is deceptive and planning things. You know, you can't trust him. So this one, خبيث, we say like we would say snake. He's like a snake, or she is like a snake in the grass. Sorry. In the grass. Okay. There we go. So, snake in the grass, up to no good. عم بيعمل من تحت لتحت.
صحيح.
يعني this one's in the 101, by the way. Check that out, folks. It's free right there for you. All right, here we go. Next.
حرباية.
Hirbaya is not a word that we use much, except for in this particular way. And this is a chameleon. Okay. فإيش كيف تستعملوه؟
هلا حرباية زي تقريبا مبدأ الحية، بس اللي شوي بيختلف إنه حرباية لونها بتغير حسب وين هي موجودة. فالفكرة هلا بنحكي عن أكتر إشي للبنات، بتحب تعمل مشاكل، شخصيتها يوية من ناحية سلبية، أو بالعامية بنحكي بتنكش مشاكل، وبتتغير مع يعني الوضع اللي هي فيه عشان تكون زي يعني ما تبين إنه هي مش كويسة.
في علاقة مع الحية هون, right? خبيثة. So this is mostly used for بنات.
صحيح.
Okay. So بنات منوضح الفكرة, I think, is you're saying, like we say chameleon here is C-H-A. I actually had to look this up. يعني طلعت الكلمة من القاموس عشان أكتبها صح. Chameleon. And I might just get it wrong too this time. Chameleon, I think it is E-O-N, I think. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, chameleon. So chameleon معناته الشخص لما يكون يعني هالبنت لما تكون معك يعني بدها ترد عليكي كأنها معك.
صحيح.
بس لما يكون مع الناس تانيين اللي هم ضدك بتكون معهم.
صحيح.
All right, so this person, we just say chameleon. They change their colors. They're two-faced. نحكي كمان.
صحيح.
يعني شو ال two-faced بالعربي؟ موجهن. Yes. So موجهن from the word وجه. موجهن. Yeah. So chameleon. That's حرباية. Next one. Taste.
تيس
Taste. Yeah. So taste, here it is. Ta, yeah, seen. Taste.
تيس للشخص الغبي. بتصرف تصرفات ممكن عن قصد أو بدون. ما بيفكر بتصرفاته. هيك هو تيس
طيب.
يعني.
So basically you said شخص غبي يعني a stupid person
أيوة
that does things بدون تفكير.
صحيح.
بدون تفكير without thinking. Maybe they do it on قصد أو بدون قصد
صحيح.
يعني on purpose or not on purpose. But this is a person who is يعني doesn't know their work. They
صحيح.
don't know how to, maybe they're not smart in school. لأنه ما بدرسوا
صحيح.
أصلا. لو شفتيهم بعدين بس يكبروا يصيروا يشتغلوا بالشركة
الشيء.
شغلهم يعني شغل على الماشي لأنه they are dumb and they don't want to يعني ممكن نحكي كسلان كمان يعني بالنسبة من ناحية
ممكن.
يعني تفوق أو تميز أو ما بدهم يتميزوا يعني ناس أغبياء
مو
ما
شرط
بيفكروا
مو شرط ممكن
مو شرط.
واحد يكون كسلان بس بيعمل شغل منيح ممكن يفكر ممكن هو كسلان بحياته بس تيس هو مش شرط يكون كسلان ممكن يكون
نشيط كتير
شاطر
بس فاشل يعني.
بالضبط هيك تيس يعني
واقع
ايوه
واقع
بالضبط،
يعني
أيوة.
انه واقع معناته انه he's like yeah loser he's
أيوة.
like he always does bad work or does
بالضبط.
bad things
بالضبط.
yeah so this is a person who's basically it's like عدم ناجح and stupid
ايوه مش
Like this.
مش ناجح
so and by the way this means of course goat Tace goat so here we would say a maybe we'd say incompetent person, but we would just say a stupid person, and also someone who is maybe we'd say unsuccessful in what they do. Yani they don't think. That's a good one. Don't think, and don't really care. Okay, so this one, I'm not going to write it, but think of mostly the best word for this is somebody who is incompetent, just incompetent. And you have this idea of stupidity, which is like a taste, it really is stupid. They don't learn, and they do things without thinking. طيب, good. يعني خلصنا الدرس اليوم. شكرا كثير كريستين على شغلك. And Christine, she did not draw these pictures, but anyway, they look very nice. Good job. فبنشوفكم إن شاء الله المرة الجاي. بدنا نكمل هالسيريز these lessons with الجزء الثالث. بنشوفكم بعدين.